Hello everybody, welcome back in this video, and I will be showing you how to create quiz in Jotform. This is easier than you think, so let's just begin. First of all, what are we going to do here is dive onto templates on top right and head over to form templates. Now if you're thinking that we are needing a quiz, not a form, just hold on, because we do have quizzes inside form, because a quiz is a type of form, sections and answers. So search in here for quiz. Now before we move to the next step, you can head over to the link in the description below to get 50% off on Jotform and create amazing forms, quizzes, tests, and different kind of stuff that you wonder. You can see we have templates up to literally thousands and thousands of templates of different type of forms. So over here you can see we can select the online quiz option and just go in that, and you can see we basically do not have the option to go with this because we are out of our free credits. But yeah, you can see we have this kind of form, our quiz enabled. You can enter in here our name. This is the option. We have student ID section. We can add these sections completely from ourselves as well, so everything here is customizable. You can do that as well, and once you click on simply select this quiz, of course you will be able to use it and modify it. So that's how you can create a quiz inside Jotform. I hope this helps, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.